found these pair of pliers in a barn, and I'm sure those aren't pliers. I'm sure they're something else, but well, for right now they're pliers. But I've soaked them in some Rust-Oleum rust dissolver, the gel. Let's see if we can unseize these. This is probably going to be a little shaky, but let's clamp that down a little tighter. Yes, there they go. They're unseizing. Just going to do that a few more thousand times, and we'll see what we can do here, because it's falling out of the vise. Yep, there it goes. Yeah. Stay tuned. Okay, my phone is covered in PB Blaster, but we got them. It's one hand here, 2 fingers or whatever. And just keep soaking it, and I wire wheeled the top of it here. Oops, I am not filming it, my apologies. Just keep soaking it, PB Blaster, wire wheel. Just keep working it. It's coming back. Wish I'd gotten a picture of it this morning, or this afternoon when I got it out of the barn. But, yeah. Do this a few more thousand times and we'll be ready to go in the drawer.